a healthy breakfast recipe for the Weight Watchers. So good morning my dear friends, welcome to Mollie Yummy Cakes and much more. So friends, today I am going to make a very healthy breakfast recipe for the Weight Watchers. It's a veg oats omelette. For this recipe we need 2 eggs which I have taken in a bowl, some oats, chopped onion, oregano, basil, salt. We need some chopped vegetables, some tomatoes, green chili, carrot, beans and fresh coriander leaves. So first we have to grind our oats in a mixer grinder. And make it a fine powder. So our oats powder is ready. So now we have to put our egg in a big bowl, and with the help of a beater we have to beat it. You can use electric beater also. Here I am using hand beater. Now I am adding chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, green chili, it's according to your taste, chopped carrot, chopped beans and some fresh coriander. Now we have to add some oregano, some basil, salt according to your taste, and now we will add our oats powder. Now again we have to beat it. So now we have to heat our pan on a gas stove, and I am using the pure desi cow ghee. It's healthy. Now I am putting some black pepper powder. It will increase your metabolism as well. It will enhance the taste of the veg oats omelette. Our pan is hot now. Now I am putting my mixture on the pan. And wait for some moment. Now we have to flip it up. And gently we have to press it. It's a complete meal in the morning, as we have added oats, egg, vegetables, that's the fresh vegetables, and the oregano and the basil. So our veg omelette is getting ready. So our healthy breakfast recipe, that's a veg oats omelette, is ready now. Good morning my dear friends, welcome to Mollie Yummy Cakes and much more. This is a veg oats omelette for the Weight Watchers, a healthy breakfast recipe. So enjoy.